This is 1-year-old Kendra, and she was returned because her owner didn't want her anymore. She's super playful. You can find Kendra at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. She's a small-sized little girl. Kendra! Kendra, look! What's this? You love toys, don't you, little girl? She was carrying this, dragging it all through Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. Kendra has all of her shots. She's a healthy 1-year-old all-black cat with gorgeous eyes. There you go. Look at those eyes. You are cute. There you go, little girl. So that's our little Kendra, 1-year-old black cat at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. She is playful, isn't she? Yes, you are, little girl.